What is up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to achieve weight loss success on a vegan lifestyle. Now, whenever it comes to achieving success and actually attaining your ideal body weight, we have to understand that weight loss success is really health success. It's not about crazy dieting where you're living on a Snickers bar or a Rustler burger a day. It's about eating foods that not only support your body but help you achieve your goals. And there are five main ways in which we can do this. Five main ways in which we can add to our success in weight loss. These are universal, however, they are going to also help you in your successful weight loss if you apply them to them. The first is, who are you listening to? Who are you listening to? If you want to be a great piano player, listen to the best piano players out there. If you want to be a great footballer, have amazing football coaches. If you want to be an amazing fighter, Floyd, Mayweather, etc., look at the coaches that they have, former boxing champions. So in terms of a plant-based lifestyle, who are you listening to? Are you listening to people who have achieved the results that you desire, or are you listening to people who haven't? This is a key principle. Who are you listening to? And I would suggest go to the plant-based athletes, the likes of plant-based doctors, or people who have demonstrated that they've been on a plant-based lifestyle and they look and feel the way you want. Look and feel the way you want. I use myself as an example because I stay lean all year round and I can eat as much as I want, and I eat a whole food plant-based lifestyle containing loads of fruits and vegetables, whole grains and legumes, and I don't kill myself in the gym. I do like to walk. I try to get 20,000 steps a day on my Fitbit, but I don't even do that all in one stint. I do that all throughout the day. So who are you listening to? That's the first step. The second is, how teachable are you? How teachable are you in the sense that what is your willingness to actually learn? What is your willingness to accept change? What is your willingness to learn? What is your willingness to accept change? And how teachable are you? Because if you feel like you already know, then you're done. You're done. In this area, you're a closed cup if you feel like you already know. And what is your willingness to learn? Like, are you willing to give up the things you love, the foods you quote unquote love to eat, the certain habits, going to that fried food place? Are you willing to give up the things you currently love to adopt new habits? That's not to say you won't love really delicious plant-based foods. It's just saying, what is your willingness to accept change? Because insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again, expecting a different result. The next is, where are you putting your focused attention on? Are you putting it on the thoughts you're thinking, your dreams and your visions and aspirations for your health and your fitness? Or are you putting your focus on how? How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? I'm so busy. How is this gonna happen? You know what I mean? Like, where's the money gonna come from to buy all these foods? Like, how? And majority of your focus should be going on your dreams and your visions and how you emotionally feel about that. because 80% of this is psychology. Tony Robbins says this. 80% of behavior change is psychology. If you have a strong enough why, the how will take care of itself. Nietzsche. So, where is your focus? Where is your focus? Are you focused on, like I said, your visions of your ideal body weight, your ideal health and fitness, your feelings of being strong and fit and flexible? Are you focused on that? Or are you focused on how is this going to happen? And you're on the right track if the majority of your focus is on your dreams and your visions. And the next one is recognize that once you start engaging in behavior change, you will go through the four main processes, which is unconscious incompetence, where you're engaging in the wrong behavior and you don't know what the right behavior is. Then you go to unconscious competence, where you know what the right behavior is, but you're still engaging in the wrong behavior. Then you go on to conscious competence, where you're engaging in the correct behavior, but it's taking focused effort. And then the last is unconscious competence, where now you're engaging in the right behaviors and it's automatic. It's automatic. So recognize that if you know what to do, but you're not doing it, you don't truly know it. You don't truly know it. Yeah, you might have heard of eating whole foods, rice, beans, greens, getting the berries, the salads, the soups, the smoothies, the variety of foods available to you on a whole food plant-based lifestyle to eliminate the oil, to make sure to eat enough, to listen to material to help keep you inspired, to find a mentor. Like I said from the previous ones, you may know you may know it, but if you're not doing it, you don't truly know it. And the last principle is to master the other principles. To master the other principles. Master the basics. Mentor. How teachable are you? Your willingness to accept change. Your willingness to learn. Where are you putting your thoughts? Are you focused on the thoughts and the visions and the emotions of feeling how you'd feel if you already achieved it, or are you focused on how it's going to happen? And do you truly understand the four processes in developing a new behavior? So that is my message today. If you can take this idea, if you can take this format and apply it to your weight loss journey, you will see amazing results. You will see amazing results. And this is what has happened to me on a plant-based lifestyle. Because first, I found a mentor. Who was my mentor? I was listening to the likes of people like John McDougall. And in the early sort of phases, I was listening to a lot of Freely and Julian Ryder and all these different people. Dr. Esselstyn. I was willing to learn. I was listening to them every single day. I accepted the change that was necessary. I did a lot of visualizations. I actually saw myself eating these foods. I was writing down my goals. I had to do that. And yes, initially, I didn't know what I didn't know. And then I knew what I had to do, but I was still not engaging in the right behavior. And then I was engaging in the right behavior. It took a lot of conscious effort. I was like, oh, what do I put in my bread? I normally put like butter and stuff. And then finally it became automatic. Now I wake up, boom, smoothie, bananas, dates, berries, etc. Lunch, dinner, mixed beans, greens, rice, potatoes, pasta. And now I've written an ebook to show the recipes that I eat on a daily basis called Plant-Based to the Face. Because it's exactly that. You're eating plant-based, taking it straight to the face. So your ability to master this and apply this to your weight loss is crucial. And rate yourself on each of these areas. So with that being said, I'm wishing you tremendous success on the plant-based lifestyle. Peace, love, and veganism.